Hey everyone, welcome back to TechSmart Pro. Today, we're diving into an epic smartphone showdown, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the latest iPhone. If you're stuck trying to decide between these two flagship devices, stick around because we'll be breaking down their key features, strengths, and which one might be the best fit for you. Design and build. Let's start with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra carries forward its sleek, futuristic look, featuring a nearly bezel-less display and curved edges. It has a durable glass back with a metallic frame, and it comes in a range of colors. On the other hand, the iPhone offers its signature minimalist design with a flat-edge frame and ceramic shield front cover. The phone feels solid in hand, and Apple continues to impress with its build quality. Display. When it comes to the display, Samsung continues to lead with a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen that boasts a 144Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the higher refresh rate makes everything feel buttery smooth. Apple's latest iPhone offers a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz promotion refresh rate. While it may not match the S25 Ultra in refresh rate, the iPhone still delivers an incredible viewing experience with its True Tone technology and excellent color accuracy. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, delivering top-of-the-line speed and efficiency. It's a multitasking beast, perfect for gaming and productivity. The iPhone, however, is equipped with Apple's A18 Bionic chip, which is known for its unmatched performance in processing power and AI capabilities. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling through social media, the iPhone remains lightning fast. Camera comparison. Both phones bring their A-game to the camera department. The Samsung S25 Ultra features a 200-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and periscope zoom lenses. The versatility and zoom capabilities are outstanding. The iPhone, with its improved 48-megapixel main camera, continues to deliver superb photo quality, especially in low light. Apple's computational photography is next level, producing sharp and vivid images. Samsung S25 Ultra 200-megapixel periscope zoom, iPhone 48-megapixel computational photography. Battery life and charging. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy S25 Ultra houses a 5,500 mAh battery, with support for 65-watt fast charging. It'll easily last a full day of heavy use. The iPhone offers slightly less battery capacity, around 4,500 mAh, but with Apple's efficient optimization, it still manages to keep up. It supports 30-watt fast charging, which is decent, but not quite as fast as Samsung's. Samsung S25 Ultra 5,500 mAh, 65-watt, iPhone 4,500 mAh, 30-watt. Software experience. The software is where we see a big divide. Samsung's One UI 6.0 is feature-packed and highly customizable, but it may feel overwhelming for some. Apple's iOS, in contrast, is smooth, user-friendly, and seamlessly integrates with the Apple ecosystem. If you're already invested in other Apple products, it's hard to beat. Samsung, One UI 6.0, customizable, iPhone, iOS, ecosystem integration. So, which one should you buy? It really comes down to your personal preference. If you prioritize a higher refresh rate, camera versatility, and faster charging, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for superior performance, an integrated ecosystem, and top-notch software experience, the iPhone might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments which phone you're choosing, or if there's another flagship you're eyeing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.